people are always going to it. Social media, visibility is money. So many people make money nowadays, but they don't know how to invest it. In this video, I'm going to tell you investment ideas that will triple your income. Please watch this video from the beginning to the end. So the first one on my list is real estate. If you're looking to invest your money, real estate is just the best way to invest your money. So how do you invest your money in real estate? One of the things you can do in real estate is to buy houses and flip it in the next 3 or 4 months. Yes, just identify a market or people who are looking for houses to sell and sell it to them. Let's say you bought a house for 350,000 USD. When you're selling it, when you're reselling it, you can put it on the market for 500,000 USD or 400,000 USD and you make your income. But the best way to get the best price to resell your house is to put in all the money, everything that you've spent on the house. Then you will know the best price to sell your real estate property. So real estate is a very good way of making money. If you're thinking of investing in anything, go into real estate. It's just the best and the safest thing, the safest business to go into right now. Another way to make money in the real estate industry is to go into the Airbnb segment. If you own houses in a good location, people would always be looking to rent or lease a place for 1, 2 days, 3 weeks, 1 week, depending on what suits them. Just put the house out for rent and let people rent it. This way you can be making money while you sleep. If all you want to do is to get money from the Airbnb, if you're not interested in managing people or managing staff, that's also okay. You can give your house out to management companies. There are management companies who take care of things like this. They will hire staff, hire cleaners, be the ones to rent out properties. All they will be doing is to return money to you every week or every month, depending on the arrangements you both made. Yes, so when you go into the Airbnb segment, you don't literally have to be the one to take care of everything. No, you can hire or give your house out to people who will manage it for you. The next thing I'm going to talk about is management company. If you're very good at managing businesses, at managing people, it would be good for you to set up a management firm, a management company where you can help other people manage their businesses. There are people who have cars, for instance. They want to put their cars out for people to drive around town and give them money, but they don't have time to oversee all of those. They don't have time to manage the staffs and everything. You as a management firm, as a management company, you can come in and manage all those things. All the person has to do is to bring their car to you. Yes, they'll bring the car to you and you'll be the one to give it out to people to drive and bring in the money. You'll be the one to hire the accountants, the cleaners, everybody that is necessary to keep that business going. So you can have a management firm if you're very good at managing people and managing resources. The third one I want to tell you is very important and it's very necessary for you to learn a skill or go into such business in this 20th century. And without further ado, let me just go right into it. AI, artificial intelligence, is very, very important. It's one of the best ways to make money now. If you're very good in artificial intelligence, you can make your money even while you sleep. But if you don't already have the skill, you can just save some money and learn about artificial intelligence. Many people are very scared of artificial intelligence, but you don't have to be scared of it. All you just have to do is to upgrade yourself, learn skills in artificial intelligence. So when it blooms, you will be able to make money from your skill, from your artificial intelligence skills. Look at Elon Musk, is already making lots and lots of money from his artificial intelligence company. So what are you waiting for? Go and learn a skill in artificial intelligence today and you keep making money even while you sleep. The fourth one is social media. Hello, I know many people would not really like this. People are not really into showing themselves and talking about themselves on social media, but you don't have to talk about yourself. Let's say you're good at a particular skill. It could be finance, it could be tech, whatever you're good at, you can just come online and talk about that. If you're very good at what you do, many people will tune in every day just to watch and learn from you. The thing about social media is you can make money even while you sleep. Social media gives you the opportunity to make passive income. Yes, Nowadays, people are making money by just being out there, by putting themselves out there. Visibility is money nowadays. So forget your shyness, put it aside, think about your future, think about the revenue you could be making just by being online, and create a social media platform today. It could be YouTube, it could be Instagram, it could be Facebook, it could be TikTok. Any of this social media pages can help you make passive income while you sleep. You just have to know what you're doing on there. The last one on my list, the one people usually overlook, wow, I have to talk about this. It is farming, guys. If you go into farming and you know what you do, you can make your money even while you sleep. You don't literally have to go to the farm and do like this, woof, woof, woof. No, you can hire people to do what you want, and these people will take care of everything. Why is farming a lucrative business? This is it. People are always going to eat. People are always going to look for fresh food. Yeah, they're always going to look for fresh food. They always need something to buy. If you're very good at this, you can make good money from farming. You just have to be strategic, bring in some ideas, do lots of research, and you make your money. Yes, there you go. Those are some of the most profitable businesses that you can invest in right now.